Avani Industry, a name synonymous with precision, innovation and reliability. Established in 2009, Avani Industry began its journey with a clear vision to manufacture world-class products that meet global standards, catering to both export markets and serving as import substitutes. Our product range includes gear oil pumps for engine lubrication, gear oil pumps used in refrigeration industry and in gearboxes. State-of-art manufacturing facilities are spread across 18,000 square feet. The components are machined on precision machines like HMC, CNC and VMCs with 4th and 5th axis. Each component is identified with a unique serial number engraved on the component at time of machining. This assures traceability. Components are checked on CMM for dimensional accuracies. In-house gear manufacturing facility begins with bar cutting, CNC machining. We have in-house gear grinding facility to ensure good quality gears. The gears are inspected on in-house gear profile tester. Inspection facilities in Avani Industry include hardness testing, surface finish testing, MPI facility, spring testing. All pumps are assembled after cleaning of all components. The components are assembled with calibrated equipment. Cleaning is done using special machines. Every product is marked with a barcode or QR code. Testing is done as per requirements of customer. We have PLC-based automatic testing facility. The products are tasted and all the tasting parameters are stored without manual intervention. Tasting parameters and batch numbers of individual components are stored in database for traceability. Each product is wrapped and packed as per requirement. All products come with QR code with tasting data. We are Avani Industry, where engineering excellence is redefined.